travel, but traveling near and far.
Hey everyone, I'm at Hotel Art in Budapest, Hungary, and I am going to show you a very, very, very cute hotel room. It's a little small, but the rest of the complex is wonderful. This is room 46. Good morning, and come on in. Okay, as you'll notice that I didn't have to actually use this card like I normally do to turn on the lights, so that's a plus. It's a very, very small room. It's kind of almost like a closet, but it has everything you need. You have a place to store all your luggage, hangers, of course, all the same stuff you would normally see in a hotel room. And it was $63 a night. That wasn't bad. I mean, and that's breakfast included, so. They included some instant coffee and tea and things like that. Plenty of cups. Space. Safe. I didn't use the safe. I didn't use the refrigerator because it wasn't cold enough. I mean, there's stuff in there, but it didn't work like I wanted it to. I'm not sure if it's because I don't know how to work the thing or not. But anyway, so long mirror, which is nice. A lot of hotel rooms do not include that these days. I appreciated that. So that way I can see what I look like when I get ready, you know. They have a desk, which was nice. There was only one chair. So that kind of wasn't good for my partner. I was kind of hogging the chair. The beds are substantial, or bed. It was supposed to be a double, but it ended up being a single. Nice big TV. That was a huge plus. Absolute huge plus. It's really hard to get those in Europe. So I was very happy about that. And then over here, because the room got really hot, because of the wonderful insulation, we had to open the window a lot. And you know, this is what you see when you look out the window. Definitely some old buildings. Anyway, so it was very quiet. I was surprised, but then again, I shouldn't be surprised because the buildings are so old. They're actually built well, which makes things nice. And these curtains are blackout. Very good. And let's see, what else can I show you? The bathroom. Come on in here. Excuse the towels, but the toilet was fine. Everything worked. The shower was nice. You have enough space. There's plenty of light in here. You have your mirror that makes you feel really bad about yourself, but you can pluck some hairs or squeeze some pimples. I don't know. The blow dryer worked very well. I was very surprised. I don't know why there's a radiator in here because it gets so warm, but there is one. And plenty of space to put your bathroom stuff. I thought overall it was a really great room for the space that they had. They also included some shampoo. I don't know if you would use this for your hair, but definitely for whatever else, like a body wash, because it's kind of the same. It says liquid soap, and then this one says hair and body shampoo, but it smelt exactly the same. So I think that's basically it. And since you can't really drink the water, I mean, you can, but it's got a really horrible metal taste. They offer some really, really great filtered water, but you got to go downstairs to get it. And they do have elevators, which is good. And let's see. Oh, and also this place actually is owned by Three Corners. And they have, like, I think one in Egypt and then one in, I can't remember what other country, but I mean, this is a great, well-run establishment. The food downstairs is free. Well, actually, it's not free. We paid $3 for the breakfast buffet, and it was oh my God, it was so good. Anything you want. I mean, they had Dutch croissants, French croissants. I've never had a Dutch croissant. Or I think not Dutch. I think it was Belgium croissant. It was so good. It had these seeds. But anyway, you'll see in a minute. But the food was just amazing. It was definitely very authentic. There was lots of pork because they love pork in this country, and pretty much across a lot of Europe they like pork. They had pretty much an assortment of all kinds of stuff, and I'll show you later in the video when I go downstairs. And let's see what else. Great customer service, excellent. Anything you need is there. One other thing that I will say is they said that there was AC and the AC didn't work. So that's why we had to open up the windows, which was fine because it's very cold outside. But that was kind of a bummer. But I would still, if I were to rate this hotel, I think I would give it about 9 out of 10 stars. I know there was a lot of quirky stuff and stuff that wasn't great, but there was so many wonderful things about it, and it was centrally located, which you could get to anywhere by foot, and I think that's really important too. And it was a safe neighborhood. So 9 out of 10 stars. And I think that wraps it up. Oh, let me show you downstairs.
Oh, it's been a pleasure. Thank you.